I never drive a nail into a wall. I own no table I could never haul. Each new address has one date sealed inside, one folded page that rules my moving stride. I know how fast to pack a shelf of books, to lift the calendar down off its hooks, to fold the year in half and lay it down, and call the move a livelier part of town. The home that always runs away from me, I fold it into boxes, 2 or 3. The walls I paint are walls I give away. I sweep them clean the morning I don't stay. The neighbors learn my name, and then I go. The box of plates goes first, the rest is slow. I open doors that never learned my hand, and put the same 4 cups back where they stand. At night I ask the ceiling wide and blind, how many borrowed walls are left to find? How many times must I repeat the word before the plaster shows that it has heard? The home that always runs away from me, I fold it into boxes, 2 or 3. The walls I paint are walls I give away. I sweep them clean the morning I don't stay. I got so good at leaving that I fear the day a door stays open all the year. I've packed so long I cannot tell you now if I still want the walls or just know how. The home that always runs away from me, I fold it into boxes, 2 or 3. The tape is on the last one by the door.